Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and this is the video encyclopedia entry for the BIN2OCT function, or binary to octal. The binary to octal function takes an input in binary, a string of zeros and ones, and outputs a value in octal, which takes triplets of binary values and condenses them to a single numerical value and outputs numbers from 0 through 7. For example, it might look something like this. Here we go. 3 and 4. Not to be confused with 34. This, if we look at the decimal value of the random numbers that I've typed in, this is equal to the value 28 in decimal, which is represented by 34 in octal, or 1100 in binary. The arguments for the octal function are, of course, the number that we input and also the number of places to be used. This allows for the function to add leading zeros and helps distinguish when it is a octal number or some number not in base 10, which is kind of useful. The limits on the inputs for this function, the maximum binary value that can be input is 9 ones in a row, which is the largest binary value that Excel can kind of hold on to, which outputs just as 00777. And you can tell that would be just a string of straight ones. And the smallest value, using 2's complement, is a 1 followed by 9 zeros. Remembering that in Excel, binary values always can consist of a maximum of 9 magnitude bits and 1 sign bit. This will show that the the smallest value that can be input is this string. Octal is recognized as being 10 characters, or 10 integers, 10 characters, 10 digits of value. So this is represented this way, again using 2's complement. But this is actually still equal to the value minus 512, just like that's the minimum value that the binary can hold. Likewise, the maximum value of this octal, the output of this function, is 511. Excel can hold larger values, both larger maximum and smaller minimum than these numbers, but this is limited by the input on the binary side, which is kind of neat. Of course, the placeholder value is limited then to being max value 10. That is the maximum number of output bits that can be held. Try to go 11, just throws a number error. Although that doesn't seem to apply for negative numbers, which I have not figured out why that is yet. Oh, I could do 11. But if you put a number smaller than the number of bits that you're trying to output in a negative number, it still works. If you put a number smaller than the number of places that are occupied, then it throws a number error for positive numbers, but not for negative numbers. And I'm not sure why that is, but nevertheless, that is how it is. This would be a great time while you're thinking about things that should be but aren't. This is a great time for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Other related functions to the binary to octal are, of course, the octal to binary function, which does the exact opposite, converting octal values into binary, or the rest of the family of binary conversion values, binary to decimal and binary to hexadecimal. This concludes the video encyclopedia entry for the binary to octal function. Thank you for watching.